Got a 2004 Lexus RX, I think it's 300, 2004 Lexus RX. I'm going to be doing this visor right here to get this off. This is just kind of not hanging up anymore, and this part just flaps. The way you get this off is it's going to be over here. We're going to get this cover off right here. What I do is I just move this way, and it will come over here. And you could either use like a plastic pry bar or like a small flathead. Probably plastic pry bar would be a little better, but if you're like at your house, you could probably use like a butter knife or something. And then we're gonna come over here, and then there's a little spot that's open right here, and we're just gonna pop this down like that, and then it just kind of push it off. Open that opening a little bit and push it off like that. Swing this back around, and then it'll have access to these screws. These are Phillips. There we go. Phillips heads. It looks like this has been replaced before because it has different screws. But we'll go ahead and get these out. Okay, got that one out. Magnetic bit there. Get the front one. Got that out. Now just kind of pull this guy out here. You just kind of move him around until you could kind of get him out. Then we'll unplug this guy. That little there's a little tab right here that can go down. It's super tiny. Might need to use a tool, and then you push that down and then pull it back. Like this will be good to help undo it. Okay, got that off. Alright, now let's get our new one. Alright, there's my new one. Here's the part number for the driver's side. Here's the part number for the right passenger side. I got my new one here. We'll go ahead and plug this in first, and while it's plugged in, we're going to try to put this top part in up here. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these. Once that's connected, I'm going to push this kind of up in here, and then I'm going to connect it on this side like that, and then that'll give me a little more support so I could line the holes up on this one and then put the screws in. Go ahead and put that in like that, and we'll put our rear one in. Go ahead and put this up here like that. Alright, dope. Now that's in place and good. Now we just gotta put the cover back on here. This guy. And so what we'll do is we'll just kind of open it a little bit and then just clip it on just like that. And that is it, guys. So that's how you do your visor. It's the same procedure for this one over here. It's just like a different side. So that's all I got for you. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap, they don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up, and these are available on Amazon as well. But if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar. It's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic Bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.